Ayodhya's Ram Temple's chief priest Satyendra Das is no more. We are told that he took his last breath a few hours ago at around 8 a.m. this morning. The disciples have taken his mortal remains to Ayodhya. Satyendra Das, the chief priest of the Ram Mandir, breathed his last today. He was admitted in a hospital, was undergoing age-related ailments. He was in his 80s, we are told, and it was after a critical condition, a stroke that he had suffered. He had been rushed to a hospital. He was undergoing treatment. But the latest is that Satyendra Das is no more. Remember, this is very important. It's not just about being the head priest of Ram Mandir. He had been associated with the Ram Mandir throughout his prime, and the movement that we had seen, he had been the one. Even when, of course, there wasn't the kind of Ram Mandir that we see right now, and was basically just under a small tent that the deity had been kept, Satyendra Das continued to follow with his devotion, taking care of even that makeshift temple. So that's the latest coming in. Remember, to the people who've known him, who followed him, have seen the kind of effort that he put in with regard to Bhagwan Ram. We are told that the last breath that he's taken was in Lucknow, and he will be then taken to Ayodhya as well. Joining me, Samarth Srivastava, for the latest on that. Samarth, tell us more. Was he ailing for a while? And also tell us, for those who may not know, that Satyendra Das wasn't just simply about the chief priest. He had been associated and devoted to Lord Ram all through these decades.
Well, exactly, Pooja. Sad news coming that the chief priest of Ramlala, Satyendra Das, is no more. He was there for years. He served Lord Ramlala even when he was under the tent. So his devotion was unmatchable, and he was admitted in the PGI of Lucknow. And as he got the release from the hospital, that he was admitted in the neurology ward on 3rd February with a stroke in critical condition. But now he's no more. He took his last breath today morning, and now the remains of Satyendra Das will have been moved for Ayodhya, and tomorrow the final rites will take place. And in the Saryu River, where the final rites will take place, his associate Pradeep Das also confirmed this particular news. So it's a sad event, not just for Ayodhya, but for entire UP, because Satyendra Das was very familiar amongst media persons as well, because we saw he was associated with the Ram Temple for years. He served Lord Ramlala for years, and because he was unwell, and that's why he was admitted to the PGI of Lucknow, and because he also had some other issues as well regarding health. We saw CM Yogi Adityanath also met Acharya Satyendra Das in PGI. But now sad news came today morning.
So the mortal remains will be taken to Ayodhya now, where this priest was associated since 1992. Even in that makeshift temple, he was the priest. We see the big temple now, but all these decades, he was the one taking care of the deity of Lord Ram, the Ram Lalla, basically. We are told that as a member of the Nirvani Akhada, he had embraced the spiritual path at the age of 20. And in fact, what Samarth is saying is also important. I want to add here, he was one of the most accessible seers, even though, of course, despite his position and designation, he was always available for insights for any developments taking place in the region, and spoke to media persons as well consistently.